Okay, we got a Lambo. We end up installing the GPS tracker in here. Everything is concealed. You don't see anything. I'll give you a tour of the vehicle. Okay, everything is well hidden. We took some panels apart and we hid this thing as best as possible. I don't think somebody's gonna find it. This is for a rental company that buys these cars and they rent them here in South Florida, Miami Beach. So they want to know where their vehicles are at. The GPS will tell you the speed alert too. So if they go over whatever speed we set up on the app, it will send you an alert. It'll send you a text message telling you that the guy is over 90 miles an hour, whatever speed you would like to set there. And it has a geofence, so when it moves from the warehouse here, you'll get a notification, and when it comes back, you'll get a notification. This GPS was installed here in Miami, Florida, in this Lamborghini by Auto Align Specialist. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. If you have a lot of these exotics that you want to rent them out, we do have the GPSs for them. Thank you for watching this video.